Hello everyone, my name is Kate and in today's video I'm gonna paint watercolor fruits. These days I have a lot of things going on so I couldn't upload the video, I'm sorry for that. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the pear. Mix a lot of water and add light green and start from the top of the pear. And then by using the tip of the brush, add mustard yellow on the bottom. Add a light brown on the pear edges. Now I'm going to paint orange. By using the light orange, slowly start paint from the light area. At this point, make sure that leave white highlights. Before the water dry, add dark orange and blend it. Now I'm going to paint an apple. Add light green on the top of the apple and then add light red on the wet area and then blend it quickly. By using the tip of the brush, add dark burgundy on the bottom. Now I'm going to paint lemon. In the same way, by using a lot of water, paint first coat and then a little dark yellow on the edges. Add light green on the bottom side of the tip of the lemon. Let's continue to paint in the same way. This artwork can be used in food packaging, food company's logo, restaurant branding, and many more. This graphic available in my shop, so if you're interested in, please see the link below. It's time for details. By using the Pigma pen, drawing the kiwi seeds. And then using the colored pencil, add some of the detail on the fruit skin. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun with this painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.